Good morning, everyone. Let's do our rule song and get started with calendar. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Great job. All right, so let's remember it's a new month, and we're going to start with the days of the week and see what the day is. Here we go. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Monday. What's today? Tuesday. Yep. Today is Tuesday. So you can think yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Great. All right. Let's do the months of the year. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Good. What's our new month called? May is all done. The month is June. Nice. The month is June. June starts with letter J, right? J, U, N, E. Let's see if I can write that on my whiteboard. J, U, N, E. Nice job. And I think I sent you guys the J worksheet to practice, right? You put your finger up here and make a J. Down, come up, put a hat on top. Let's try again. Ready? Let's make a J. Down, come up, hat on top. That's a J. Great job. All right, now we have to count. It's a small number. It's a little number. We start with number 1, 2. Yep, 2 and then stop. What number? 2. Great job. What if I did 2 black hearts? 1, and color it in black. Ooh. I like to color. Do you like to color? 2. Black hearts. All right. And then let's write the number 2 so we know the number matches the amount. There it is. Nice job, you guys. All right, so it's Tuesday, June 2nd. Let's go to our calendar routine. Let's go here. Can we find the match? There's the match, right? You can see J-U-N-E. And down here, J-U-N-E. The month is June. Oops, I can fix that. Awesome. The day is, what was the day? That's a number 2. Let's find 2 down here. There's 2. Do you see it? Touch 2. There's 2. I'll put it up here. The day is 2, right? We counted to 2. Let's do the weather next. Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you, please? Won't you, please? Okay, I think I'm going to change my mind about the weather. I'll look outside because I do see some clouds, but I also see the sun. So this is partly sunny. Which picture looks like clouds and sun? Good. Yep, this is clouds, and then you see the sun. Put it up. Awesome. Good. The temperature today. What is the temperature today? Let's see. Where I live, the temperature is, let's see. All right. I see a 5 and another 5. And then that degrees sign. 55 degrees. All right, it's 55 degrees right now. I think if I went outside, I might wear a sweatshirt. And you could wear maybe some pants or shorts, might be okay. I'll say 55 seems a little cool to me. But it's still nice. It's sunny. Let's do seasons and we'll be all done with that. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Well, we know that summer is June 20th. So the season is still spring because we're in June 2nd. The season is spring. Great job, friends. All right, let's do the whole date together. Tell me when you're ready. Ready? All right, today is Tuesday, right? What's the month? June. What's that number? 2 or 2nd, right? 2020. The weather today is partly sunny. The temperature today was 55 degrees. It feels cool. And the season is spring. Great job, you guys. I'll be on later to talk about ocean animals with you, okay? Have a good day. Bye.